For the hot dog bread, here are my ingredients. Start by mixing 1 cup of warm milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 egg. That is exactly what I have inside this bowl. When I was busy putting it, I didn't know that the video wasn't on. So this is just what I have here. So the next thing I'm going to be adding now is a teaspoon of salt. And I'll mix together. And after that, I'm going to be pouring it into a mixer bowl. Next, you are going to be measuring 420 grams of flour using your electronic measuring scale, and then adding also to the mixing bowl. Also, you'll be adding your yeast. This time around, it has to be 7 grams of yeast, and there you add. Next measurement is 50 grams of butter, but you're not going to be adding it here. Now mix the rest of the ingredients without the butter for some time. When it is well combined, you cover it to rest for 15 minutes. So you can see it. I'll just cover it to rest for 15 minutes and I will return it back before I will now add my butter. This time, after adding the butter, I'm going to mix it again on high speed for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, this is what I've gotten. Okay, you can see it's very elastic and it's not easily torn. Then gather everything and with the help of vegetable oil on your palm, make it very smooth, place it back to the bowl and then cover to rest for at least 1 hour. So you can see what I have here. You can see how smooth it has become. Place it into the bowl, just cover it. Now after 1 hour, it will double in size. Now this is what I have. So I'm going to knock out the whole air before I will start. And immediately after knocking it out, I will weigh the dough, and then after weighing it, I will divide it by 10. So to get equal size, all you need to do is to get the total measurement of the dough, which is 780 grams, and I'm going to be dividing it by 10, which gave me 78 grams each. This will help you to get equal dough, okay, or equal bread in case you are selling it. So each ball being 78, I had to mold all of them in a ball shape, set them aside, and then be picking them one by one to form my hot dog bread. So after molding them into balls, you start picking them one after the other in order to wrap your hot dog. So first you start by rolling them out in a rectangular shape, making sure that the wider part of what you are rolling is not longer than that of the hot dog, and then you start making a cut, a multiple cut on the inside. Now this cut must not get to the end, that is the up and down end. It should only be in between the dough, and then you start wrapping. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing until I wrap all my hot dog. So after that, all you need to do is to set them aside on a tray, which I lined my parchment paper, and allow them to rest for 20 minutes. Sorry, this video is a bit shaky because someone is holding it. My tripod stand just got spoiled, which I'm trying to fix. So please pardon me, this video is not very stable like the other ones. So after that, you mix together 2 tablespoons of milk with 1 egg. Okay, mix together until it is well combined. Then after 20 minutes, you begin to apply it on top of the proofed dough. Okay, that is after it must have rested. You can see it has all proofed. You now apply your milk and egg mixture, and after that, straight to the oven. Now, I cannot tell you how many minutes, but make sure you monitor your dough, because all oven temperature are not the same. Some of our oven don't even have the temperature reading. Okay, like my own doesn't have the reading. I am so surprised that such a big oven doesn't have it, but they only have some sign which I cannot tell whether this is 180 or 360. Okay, so that is it. You after applying it, take it straight to the oven, and I believe it took me up to like 25 to 30 minutes to bake this. And after that, the next thing that is coming before you now is the result of the dough. Although you are going to be seeing the dough among other snacks which I baked the same day for my students. So here is the end result of our hot dog bread. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Bye for now.